In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get account details on Wise. To get started, sign into your Wise account and make sure you're on the homepage. This is where you'll see your available balances and the different currencies connected to your account. If you have more than one balance, take a moment to choose the exact currency you want to work with, because the account details can be different depending on the currency selected. Once you've found the correct currency balance, select it to open that balance. This will take you into the detailed view for that specific currency account. From here, look just below the balance amount for the green Account Details button. It's usually easy to spot, and this is the option you'll use to access the receiving information for that balance. Go ahead and click Account Details. After that, give it a moment while the Account Details page opens. On this page, Wise will display the receiving account information associated with the currency balance you selected. This is the information you would typically share when you want to receive money into that Wise balance. Carefully review the details shown on the screen. Depending on the currency, you may see information such as an account number, routing number, BSB, sort code, IBAN, or a SWIFT or BIC code. The exact details available will vary based on the currency account, so don't worry if the format looks different from one balance to another. That's completely normal. If you need to use any of these details, look for the copy icon next to the specific piece of information you want. Clicking the copy icon is a quick and accurate way to copy the detail without having to type it manually, which helps avoid mistakes. Before using the details, take one more moment to review everything and make sure it matches the currency account you originally selected. This is an important final check, especially if you hold multiple currencies in your Wise account. Using the correct account details helps make sure incoming payments are sent to the right balance. Once you've confirmed everything is correct, you can use those account details to receive money into your Wise account. And that's it. You've successfully found your Wise account details and copied the information you need. Thanks for watching.